Let's make this crispy chicken caprese. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more healthy cooking videos which are simple and easy to make. This is everything that you're going to need to make this delicious meal. And I've included the full recipe at the end of this video. And we start out by beating 2 eggs. You will want to set up your flour, eggs, and breadcrumbs to batter your chicken cutlets. I use Ziploc bags here for the flour and breadcrumbs to make it easier and less of a mess. Make sure that your oil is already hot before putting your chicken in the pan. Medium-high temperature works well for this, and I used avocado oil here. You'll want to make sure that you get some good color on your chicken. Now just listen to that sizzle as our chicken cutlets continue to cook. Make sure your chicken has a minimum temperature of 165 degrees. In the meantime, go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Season your chicken with salt and pepper as soon as it comes out of the oil. Chop up your fresh basil, just a rough chop is good, and add 2 cups of cherry tomatoes to a Ziploc bag. Go ahead and add your fresh basil to the bag. To that, go ahead and add your balsamic vinegar and a little bit of olive oil as well. Pour your tomatoes on a cookie sheet and give it a shake. Place the tray in a 400-degree oven for 15 minutes, just long enough to roast the tomatoes so they'll split open. With a sharp knife, slice your fresh mozzarella and we place those on top of the chicken cutlets. And then to that, we will add our roasted tomatoes. You can put this back into the oven for a short time to melt the cheese if you would like. Now I plated my chicken caprese on top of some angel hair pasta and garnished with vibrant basil leaves. Finish with a little Parmigiano Reggiano. Drizzle with balsamic glaze for added depth and tanginess. This crispy chicken caprese is a delightful twist on the classic Italian caprese salad. It combines the satisfying crunch of the crispy chicken cutlet with the fresh flavors of ripe tomatoes, creamy mozzarella, and vagrant sweet basil. This healthy dish not only offers a symphony of textures and flavors, but it also provides a visually appealing meal that is perfect for any occasion. So if you would, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click on that bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos here. I'm going to leave you some suggestions on other videos that I've made on how to cook simple and healthy meals. Now, doesn't this look simply delicious? Mangia! Oh, and by the way, here's the full recipe.